Many have questions and concerns about the future of abortion rights in this country following a leaked draft of a Supreme Court opinion.
But if the 1973 Roe versus Wade case is reversed, Minnesota has its own constitutional abortion protections. It would take more than just passing laws to ban or seriously restrict abortion here. Cummings explains why.
The effects of overturning Roe v. Wade would be far-reaching but uneven. It all depends on what state laws are. In Minnesota, women would still have access. That's because of a 1995 state Supreme Court decision that enshrined abortion rights as constitutionally protected.
The Minnesota Constitution is stronger in terms of this protection of women's rights to make their own health care.
Governor Tim Walz and Democrats have come out swinging following the news of a leaked draft opinion. Walz warned the issue is at stake in November, when every single seat in the Minnesota legislature is on the ballot and control of the governor's office is too.
There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Whatever means necessary, the Republicans have made it clear that they will restrict the right to women to make their reproductive choices.
If Republicans take back control of the Minnesota House in November, a total GOP-controlled legislature could pass a constitutional amendment with simple majorities that would ban abortion, and then the issue would go before voters to weigh in. Otherwise, the state Supreme Court would have to overturn its decision. In the Minnesota House today, GOP lawmakers tried to pass proposals that would license abortion providers in the state and ban taxpayer-funded grants from going to organizations that provide the procedure.
Many who support abortion do not support taxpayer dollars being used to support it.
That effort failed, but Republicans say the draft opinion revives the discussion surrounding abortion in Minnesota.
Minnesotans across the board want us to reach consensus, support mothers, and protect unborn babies.
Cummings, WCCO 4 News.
A report from the Minnesota Department of Health shows there were more than 9,000 abortions in Minnesota in 2020.